Let's start assembling the sound bar. Align the joints of the two parts. Twist to connect. Let's assemble the sound bar to subwoofer. Prepare the sound bar, subwoofer and sound bar. Connect to subwoofer. Use the subwoofer connection cable, connecting one end to the sub-out port on the soundbar, and connect it to the power supply. Alright, it's time to connect your TV. There are 5 ports on the soundbar. Firstly, connect to your TV via eARC output. Find the eARC HDMI cable. ARC or eARC is preferred if your TV has an ARC, eARC output. Other HDMI ports of the TV are not supported. Plug into the HDMI port on the soundbar. Use the charger's connector to plug into the DC and connector. Then link the power supply. Press the ARC button on the remote control, and check field shows ARC on the soundbar. Take the example of the TV in the video. Settings, sound output, receiver, HDMI. When HDMI ARC is connected, SEC function supported. Turn on the soundbar and TV at the same time with that remote control. Then, try the volume adjustment. Easy and fast, right? Finally, close with one click. Find the digital optical cable. Remove the protective cap of the cable. Insert one end of the optical cable into your TV's optical out port. Next, align the plug with the optical in port on the back of soundbar. Firmly push the plug into the port. And then connecting to the power. Press the opt button on the remote control, and check the LED shows as the picture on the soundbar. Take the example of the TV in the video. Settings, sound output, optical. Press the BT button on the remote control, and check the LED shows as the picture on the soundbar. The soundbar will mention. Then turn on your phone's Bluetooth, eARC and connect with device Poseidon M60. When you hear Bluetooth connect tone, the Bluetooth connection successfully. If your TV has a Bluetooth output, you can also connect the soundbar wirelessly. Take the example of the TV in the video. Settings plus sound output plus Bluetooth speaker list. You have learned to connect ARC, optical, Bluetooth, all with soundbar. Still no sound? Don't worry. All it takes is a TV audio format settings. 1. Select auto for general audio. 2. Select pass-through for Atmos audio. Only works with HDMI eARC. 3. Select PCM for DTS audio. Preference. Different TVs may have different settings, normally as below. Settings, sound, digital audio format, auto, pass-through, PCM. If you are not sure about your TV settings, please check our official guide or contact us.